Get ready to dial 911.
All right, that's a hiccup. That's a bona fide hiccup right there. I wish I ain't got no control over that shit. And watch this. And you think you want to drink it. Look, another hiccup. You think you want to drink it like this. Or like this. But you got to drink that motherfucker. See, you want to put your lip right there. In the front. You can't.
Okay.
It won't work.
Okay.
You got to put your lip in the front of this motherfucker all the way up here.
Okay. You alright?
Get in the house. Let's go. Go in the house. Go in the house. You're too cold for that. Go in the house.
What? You drunk it upside down. Hiccups gone?
Go in the house. Go in the house. I'm coming.
Anybody that know about the hiccups know you shouldn't be able to say. Anybody that know about the hiccups know that after 5 deep breaths, you supposed to still have the fucking hiccups. They've been fighting this shit for over 10 fucking thousand years. That's the cure.